In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add your business to Google. This will allow you to take Google reviews. It will also allow your business to be seen on Google Maps and so on and so forth. Now, what we need to do first of all is head to business.google.com. This will then bring you over to here. And as you can see, there is a Start Now button. So click on this. This will then redirect you over to here. And first of all, you want to enter in your business name. Once we do this, you can select create a business with this name. Click on continue, and then you want to select one of these options. So online retail, local store, or a service business. Now for me, I will click on service business, select next, and then you want to enter in your business category. Now once you select your category, click on the next button. This will then bring you to here. So where do you serve your customers? Now this is optional. You don't have to enter anything in here, but if you want to cater to your locals, you can enter in the areas into this box. For example, if you want to put in London, you can then select your location from the list. Click on next once you have done this, and then what region is your business based in? So you can click on the drop down menu and you can choose from any of the different options and then select next. Now from here, what you now need to do is enter in your phone number, and you can also enter in your website. Once you enter in your phone number, click on next. And now what you can do is you can simply click on any of these if you want to get news and tips. If not, you can select continue without checking any of these boxes right here. And then as you can see, what you need to do now is you simply need to enter in your address. You can verify this later if you prefer, and then you can enter in your opening times. So let's just say that you are open these days of the week. For example, you can put on your opening time, and then you can put on your closing time for each individual day. You can then go ahead to the next step, and then you can add a business description if you want to do that. You can also skip this, you can leave all of this blank, and you can also customize this at a later date. So you can drag and drop a photo of your business here. So this could be a picture of the front of your store. This could be anything like that, for example. Go ahead and go to the next step, claim your £400 advertising credit. You can claim your credit here if you want to do this. If not, you can select skip. Now get a custom domain. If you want to get a custom domain, you can also go ahead and do this through Google. Or if you've already got a custom domain, you can skip this step. Now, as you can see, your edits will be visible once you are verified. You can select continue. And then as you can see, this will now show up on Google. This will be visible on Google Maps. This will be visible on Google reviews and everything like that. So it's just that simple. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.